My name's Ava and I'm in level 1.
This workshop is called Alpha Tank.
We are learning the life skill, personal finance. Our test to pass is she gives us $150 and we have to spend our money on. Amazon is like our only thing we can buy stuff from. We do have to make $400 in profit. So we've had a lot of stuff in my cart and we're just kind of going through it and saying that this might be too expensive and we might have to find like a whole other product for it. My group has to pitch a business idea to our guides. We have to receive a loan. We have to sell our products. We have to make $100 in profit.
Hi, my name is Blake, and I am in the workshop called Alpha Tank, and this is my team. We are working on selling our products so we can make profit and pay back loans, and we're going to have to make $100 more worth of alphas.
We have to present our pitch to the guides so we can pass the workshop.
If they don't like the pitch, we have to restart the workshop next session.
Alpha Tank!